In a world that never sleeps, stress seems to be our constant companion. We're living in an era where our minds are perpetually bombarded by information, our fingers are constantly dancing on touchscreens, and our lives are dictated by an unending cycle of digital notifications. We're caught in the throes of a fast-paced lifestyle that leaves us gasping for breath, grappling with a stress epidemic that seems almost insurmountable. The relentless push of technology, the pervasive influence of social media, and the incessant demands of our modern existence have intertwined to form a Gordian knot of stress. It's a knot that grows tighter with every passing day, constricting our peace and tranquility. Yet could the antidote to this modern ailment lie in ancient wisdom? Could we find solace in the teachings of philosophers who lived over 2,000 years ago, far removed from our digital chaos? Today we delve into the realm of Stoic philosophy, a treasure trove of wisdom from over 2 millennia ago. Dive with us into this sea of wisdom by hitting subscribe button and being a part of our journey in exploring profound philosophies that hold answers to modern-day issues. Thus, Stoicism, a philosophy born in the bustling markets of ancient Greece, offers us practical wisdom for life. This school of thought, developed by the philosopher Zeno of Citium, has left a profound impact on humanity's understanding of tranquility and inner peace. Stoicism was born in the heart of Athens in an era when life was as unpredictable as it is today. Yet amidst the chaos, Stoicism proposed a simple solution to attain serenity, a change in perspective, not circumstances. Among the many Stoics who walked the earth, 3 stand out for their contributions to this philosophy. Seneca, a statesman, Epictetus, a former slave-turned-philosopher, and Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor. These men, from diverse walks of life, found common ground in the teachings of Stoicism, using it as a compass to navigate the stormy seas of life. Seneca, a man of letters and power, once said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." His words remind us that our fears and anxieties are often self-inflicted, born from our own interpretations rather than the events themselves. Next, we have Epictetus. Despite his humble beginnings, his wisdom knew no bounds. He famously stated, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views which they take of them." This sentiment encapsulates the Stoic belief that our reactions hold more power than the events in our lives. Lastly, we have Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king. His meditations provide a glimpse into his mind, revealing a man who, despite his power, was deeply grounded. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." These Stoic luminaries from different walks of life found serenity in the acceptance of life's uncertainties. Their teachings remind us that our anxiety often stems from our resistance to accept things as they are, rather than the circumstances themselves. Guided by these Stoic luminaries, we learn that true tranquility comes from within. Let us delve deeper into the essence of Stoic calm in our next segment. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies a simple, powerful concept, the dichotomy of control. This is the idea that the world can be divided into 2 categories, things we can control and things we cannot. The Stoics believed that most of our emotional turmoil comes from misunderstanding this dichotomy. We become frustrated when we try to control the uncontrollable, and we neglect the power we do have over our own actions and responses. This is a fundamental misunderstanding that can lead to a great deal of unnecessary stress and distress. So, what are the things we can control? According to the Stoics, these are predominantly our own actions, judgments, desires, and aversions. In other words, we can control our inner world, our thoughts, and our responses to external events. We can decide to act virtuously, to judge wisely, and to desire only what is within our power to attain. On the other hand, the Stoics tell us that we have no control over the external world. We cannot control other people, the weather, the past, or the future. When we try to exert control over these things, we are setting ourselves up for disappointment, frustration, and stress. Instead, the Stoics advise us to accept the things we cannot change with equanimity. This does not mean we should be passive or indifferent to the world around us. Rather, we should recognize the limits of our control and focus our energy where it can be most effective, on our own thoughts, actions, and responses. This acceptance is not about resignation, but about understanding the reality of our situation and choosing to respond to it in a productive and peaceful way. It is about distinguishing between what is up to us and what is not, and focusing our efforts where they can make a real difference. This is the essence of Stoic calm. It is a state of mind that is not easily disturbed by external events because it understands the nature of control. It is a state of mind that is at peace with the world because it knows where its power lies and where it does not. It is not what happens to us, but how we respond that determines our peace of mind. How then can we apply this ancient wisdom to our present-day stress? This is the question we now turn to, seeking to bridge the chasm between the Stoic philosophy and our fast-paced modern world. The Stoics believed that our reactions, not our circumstances, are within our control. This concept, known as the dichotomy of control, is a powerful antidote to the stresses of the 21st century. Let's consider, for instance, the constant barrage of information and notifications we receive daily. Technology and social media, while offering remarkable connectivity and access to knowledge, also present their own unique challenges. They can create a sense of urgency and anxiety, a feeling of always being behind, always needing to catch up. Herein lies the first Stoic solution. When faced with this digital onslaught, we can choose to react differently. Instead of allowing ourselves to be swept up in the whirlwind, we can step back, reflect, and choose to engage mindfully. This is the essence of Stoic meditation. It's about creating space between stimulus and response, and in that space, choosing our reaction. Journaling, another Stoic practice, is also a potent tool for managing modern stress. It allows us to externalize our thoughts, to examine them objectively. By writing down our worries, fears, and anxieties, we can gain perspective and realize that these feelings are often not a reflection of reality, but of our perception of reality. Then there's the practice of thought reframing. The Stoics believed that it's not events themselves that disturb us, but our views of them. So, when faced with a stressful situation, we can ask ourselves, is this event truly bad, or is it my perspective that's causing distress? By challenging our own narratives, we can shift our perspective and find serenity amidst chaos. But these aren't just theoretical concepts. People are applying Stoic principles to their lives and experiencing profound transformations. Take, for instance, the case of John. Overwhelmed by work-related stress, he turned to Stoicism. By practicing Stoic meditation, journaling, and thought reframing, he was able to regain control over his reactions, transform his perspective, and ultimately reduce his stress levels significantly. And then there's Mary. She was grappling with the pressures of social media, constantly comparing herself to others. Through Stoicism, she learned to focus on her own journey, to accept what she couldn't change, and to find peace within herself. These examples are a testament to the timeless nature of Stoic wisdom. They show us that Stoicism isn't just a philosophy for ancient Romans or Greek scholars. It's a practical, actionable guide for anyone seeking calm in the modern world. By embracing Stoicism, we empower ourselves to navigate the tumultuous seas of modern life with grace and tranquility. The teachings of Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius offer us more than just historical insight. They provide us with a roadmap, a compass, guiding us towards inner peace amidst the constant hustle and bustle of our contemporary existence. The timeless wisdom of Stoicism remains as relevant today as it was over 2,000 years ago. This ancient philosophy, born in the bustling markets of Athens and honed in the corridors of Roman power, speaks to us across the ages with a message of calm and resilience. Stoicism teaches us that we can't control the world around us. We can't control the traffic that makes us late for work, or the rain that ruins a weekend barbecue. We can't control the constant barrage of news and social media, or the never-ending demands of our fast-paced modern lifestyles. But what we can control, what we do have power over, is how we respond to these challenges. This is the heart of Stoic wisdom, embracing the things we can control and accepting the things we can't. It's about understanding the difference between the two and focusing our energy where it can make a real difference. Incorporating Stoicism into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as taking a few moments each morning to reflect on the day ahead, to think about the challenges you might face and how you can respond to them with calm and composure. It might mean taking a break from the endless stream of notifications and updates, giving yourself space to breathe and think. Or it can involve more structured practices like Stoic meditation or journaling exercises, which can help you to internalize these concepts and apply them in your everyday life. By embracing the Stoic way, we can learn to navigate the stresses and strains of the modern world with grace and equanimity. We can learn to live a life that is not just successful, but meaningful and fulfilled. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, remember that very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. So take a step back, take a deep breath, and take control. Embrace the Stoic way and discover the calm, centered life that lies within your reach. If you found this enlightening and would like to delve deeper into the wisdom of Stoicism, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here we explore life's philosophies and help you navigate your way in this chaotic world. Join us on this journey to composure and resilience.